In the last lecture, we hit the new movie button, but we can still access that page. So if I go to /movies/new, look, we can access this form without even having to log in. So in this lecture, I'm going to show you how to protect this route. So here in the app component, this is the route for our movie form. We're going to use the same technique we used in the last lecture to protect this route. So instead of using the component attribute, we're going to use the render attribute. Here, because we can pass a function, in that function we can check to see if the current user is null. If that's the case, we'll redirect the user. Otherwise, we'll render the movie form component. So let's put this on a new line and then rename component to render. Here we pass a function that takes props. Now in the body of this function, we need to check if user is falsy, we will return the redirect component. Redirect to where? To our login page. Very easy, right? So if the user is falsy, we'll redirect them to the login page. Otherwise, we will render our movie form component with these props. As simple as that. Let's test the application. We got an error here. User is not defined, which makes perfect sense because obviously we have not defined user in this function. So here in the render method, let's do our object destructuring and get this user from this.state. With this, we can also simplify this code so we don't have to repeat this.state multiple times. Now back in the browser, you can see I'm redirected to the login page. So once again, if I try to access /movies/new, I get redirected to the login page. Now in the future, I will show you how to add the redirect URL. So the moment the user logs in, will take them back to where they came from. So this is how we can protect a route. However, this is not an easy solution to reuse in multiple places. We don't want to repeat this logic every time we have a route component. So in the next lecture, I'm going to show you how to build a reusable route component that is aware of the current user and can automatically redirect the user if they are not logged in.